Hey guys, how are you? This is Diana, and today I'm going to teach you something really cool, a little trick that you can use so your downloads don't go directly to your download folder, but this trick will help you to select exactly which folder you will be saving your file, and also you can rename your file. So I actually learned this trick like 5 minutes ago in our Facebook group. I don't know if you are already on our Facebook group, but the name is Learn to Design with Canva. And Marcela, she was asking about this, and actually I didn't know there was a solution for it, and I learned this trick I'm going to show you because of Jessica. She gave us the answer here. And okay, so I'm going to show you now. I already tried and it works. So okay, first of all, the browser that I'm using is Google Chrome browser. And now I'm going to go here to these little three dots or to the menu option, and I'm going to select settings. So let's click here, and then I'm going to this menu here, and I'm going to open the menu that says advanced. I'm going to click here, and here there is the download option. I'm going to click here again, and you see here all these options. And the first one is the location where your files are going, right? So in my case, all my files were going to this folder called downloads, and I have so many files there, and sometimes it's difficult to find my files again, right? So what I'm going to do here is to ask where to save each file before downloading, and I'm going to click here, and now everything is done. I'm going to close this window or this tab, and then I'm going to download. It can be any file type. I'm going to use this PDF and click here on download. We just wait a couple of seconds and this window appears. So you can see that I can select any of the folders I want, and I can also rename the file. Previously I was getting any kind of name, or obviously the name of the file here in Canva, but I can now actually rename it or give it a different name and then save this file. So yeah, I really like this trick. Thank you, Jessica, for giving us this little trick. And that's it, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.